Square buying into Bitcoin in a big way. Curious what you think the reaction is going to be, and also how you think about Square on one end buying Bitcoin and Twitter, which of course is also controlled by Jack Dorsey, on the other end, not buying Bitcoin. Emily?
Well, Twitter CFO did say in recent weeks that they're considering paying employees or vendors in Bitcoin. We saw Tesla a few weeks ago buy up 1.5 billion in Bitcoin. I think what's interesting now is seeing a lot of CFOs saying, look, this is too risky to have on our balance sheet. They're considering it like a foreign currency that fluctuates wildly, whereas Square and other companies, a few others have said, look, this is quadrupled in 2020. We want to have this on our balance sheet. And Tesla got approval from its board to be able to have Bitcoin. So I don't know if it's a new era yet, but we are starting to see companies consider holding Bitcoin on their balance sheets.
But what the interesting element to, when Ned Siegel came on our air, and I think Becky might have asked the question, we were talking about Bitcoin and whether they would take on Bitcoin. And he said only if they were going to transact in it, not necessarily as an investment on their balance sheet. Because you could argue you could either invest in Bitcoin or, by the way, you could invest in the stock market, right?
What's that, right? I mean, Bitcoin is on a whole new level. Yes, I agree. When Twitter CFO came on CNBC, he said they were considering it and didn't say it was definite. And it's been interesting. The Wall Street Journal spoke with CFOs of, a number of companies back when Tesla made its big purchase earlier this month. And CFOs from Cisco, from Mozilla, said, look, it's not worth it right now.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.